Skippers are responsible to let other boats know if they are undertaking an activity. International regulations stipulate the use of day shapes or corresponding navigation lights to signal visually to other vessels the activities being undertaken. In this video, we are going to look at some common combinations of day shapes or signature lights which are used by vessels. It is important that you remember these combinations to enable you to make decisions on how to proceed if you see a vessel displaying one of these signals. Between the hours of sunrise to sunset, day shapes, which are black geometric shapes, are used in various combinations to communicate information about a vessel's activities to others. Basic day shapes are a ball, a cone, a diamond or a cylinder, and navigation regulations stipulate the size requirements based on the size of the vessel. At night or during periods of low visibility, a combination of navigation lights are used. We will begin by looking at vessels constrained by their draft. What this means is that the vessel cannot give way to you, for example when a large vessel is moving down a channel. During the day, if a vessel is constrained in this way, they will display a day shape, which is a cylinder. At night, 3 all-round red lights in a vertical line will be shown. Here is an image of a vessel constrained by draft at night, which is displaying the 3 red lights. At night, a vessel constrained by draft which is underway will also display her stern light, masthead light and side lights. In this image, we can determine the size of the vessel because it is displaying 2 masthead lights, which indicates that the vessel is greater than 50 meters in length. Now let's look at vessels that are not under command. A vessel that is not under command means that due to exceptional circumstances, the vessel is unable to maneuver as normal. This could be, for example, because the engine has failed or there has been a fire on board. During the day, you are going to see 2 ball shapes in a vertical line, and at night the vessel will display 2 all-round red lights in a vertical line. This is an image of a vessel that is not under command. The vessel is displaying the 2 red lights in a vertical line. If this vessel was making way through the water, they would also display side lights and a stern light. Next, we will look at vessels that are restricted in their ability to manoeuvre. These can be vessels that are, for example, dredging or surveying. During the day, they will display 3 shapes in a vertical line. The shapes are a diamond between 2 balls. In addition, 2 diamond shapes in a vertical line will be displayed on the side of the vessel where it is safe to pass, and 2 ball shapes will be on the side with the obstruction. At night, 3 all-round lights in a vertical line will be displayed, and these will be in the following order: red, white and red. Here is an image of a vessel at night, and the lights being displayed are red, white and red in a vertical line, which tells us that the vessel is restricted in their ability to manoeuvre. Lights are also used to indicate which side of the vessel it is safe to pass on. 2 all-round green lights in a vertical line indicate that this is the side on which it is safe to pass, whilst the 2 all-round red lights in a vertical line indicate the obstruction is on the side of the vessel. In this image, the vessel is not making way. We know this as no side lights or masthead lights are displayed. If you see a vessel that is engaged in trawling during the day, it will display 2 cones with their apexes together in a vertical line. At night, 2 lights in a vertical line are displayed, and these will be green over white. A good way to remember that this is a vessel which is trawling is green over white, trawling at night. So how about a vessel that is engaged in fishing? This is different to trawling, so it may be, for example, somebody who is laying lobster pots. During the day, the shape is the same as the trawler with 2 cones, but at night the lights displayed are different. The lights that you will see on a fishing vessel at night are red over white in a vertical line. Here are images of 2 vessels at night. One is trawling and one is fishing. Remember, green over white is trawling at night. In this image, the vessels are also displaying the stern light and side lights, and this tells us that the vessels are underway. Finally, let's look at the combinations for towing. During the day, if the tow exceeds 200 metres in length, a power-driven vessel will display a diamond shape. At night, a power-driven vessel, when towing, will display 2 masthead lights in a vertical line, or if the length of the tow exceeds 200 metres, then 3 vertical lights will be displayed. A yellow light over the white stern light will also be displayed. So let's recap what we have covered in this video. International regulations stipulate that vessels must use visual signals to advise others of their activities. In this video, we have looked at combinations of day shapes and navigational lights which are commonly used. Remembering the visual signals displayed by working vessels is important. The signals displayed will assist you to identify the activity being undertaken and the action you need to take. For example, a vessel which is restricted in their ability to manoeuvre will display 3 shapes in a vertical line: a ball, a diamond and a ball, and they'll also use shapes to identify the side of the obstruction and the side to pass. At night, navigational lights will also help to identify vessels to avoid. Using phrases such as green over white, trawling at night can be useful in helping you to remember the combinations and the meanings behind the signals.